How to delete your Be Naughty account. Hey everybody, welcome to this video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can delete the Be Naughty account. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to delete the Be Naughty account, there are certain methods you need to follow. First of all, you may just go to a browser and log in into your Be Naughty account by just go to benaughty.com, and you may just click on the very first link, or it will directly open up the tab of Be Naughty. After that, simply log in into your account. So as I said, in order to erase the Be Naughty account, there are certain steps you need to follow. First of all, you just need to log into the Be Naughty membership of the people through your internet browser. Just go to your internet browser and type in benaughty.com. After effortlessly logging into your account, just click on the profile symbol ahead remaining and pick configurations. After that, scroll before the end and click on the remove membership button towards the bottom of the web page. You should be able to see that very easily. After that, to ensure the removing your bank account, you will be asked to enter into your own login code once again. After that, you are going to be provided with a listing of your choices. Through the listing, find the Eradicate My Personal Profile, Connections, and Personal Information alternative. After that, make certain that you don't want to see, otherwise evaluate, draw something else. Following, click on Remain. After that, it will take you to a next page where it offers the option to unsubscribe away the laters, mask the reputation, or cure everything. If you want to get rid of the membership altogether, upcoming will delete everything, so you'll be able to delete your bank account of Be Naughty. Simply click on Remain option, and you'll be taken to a next page again. After that, it will ask you to answer why you want to eradicate the membership of the Be Naughty. You need to give reasons why you want to delete your Be Naughty account. Then next screen offers you to get rid of your bank account. There you just might have to choose to cancel the fresh new subscription. You can also want to be deleting your Be Naughty account. And just like that, you should be able to delete your Be Naughty account. If you want to reactivate the Be Naughty account, you just need to log in once again for the website, making use of your old membership username and password, and go along with the process of verification process and re-log in into your account, and you should be able to do that. So therefore, you just need to follow those steps that I just told. So just follow the steps and you should be able to delete your Be Naughty account within some steps. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.